Hi viewers, this is Minachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. Page number 165, example number 8. Find the coordinate of the points of tree section. That is, a point divides in the three equal parts. So we can find the line. We can find the points. The points can divide the line by three equal parts, right? Three equal parts of the line segment. The points are a point 2 comma minus 2, b point minus 7 comma 4. So we need to find a coordinate, that is a p point and a q point. Clear? We need to find a p point and a q point. Now we can find first p point. Let me find a point p. So now what is the ratio? Here they given a starting point, ending point. Now we supposed to find the ratio also. So indirectly they given a ratio. What is the ratio here? Indirectly they said it's a three part. So among the three part, one part is a p part. So this side one, this side two parts. So the ratio is 1:2. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Excuse me. Clear? Actually, this is the keywords. These are keywords they given for finding a ratio. Clear? Okay. Example number 8. Sorry. Right. Example 8. So there is a line A, B. It can be divided into the three equal parts. So P and Q. A point they given it is 2 comma minus 2. B point minus 7 comma 4. Clear? Then what is the ratio for this? 1:2. We can find the point. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. Now we can write a point A, that is 2 comma minus 2. Then B point minus 2 comma, sorry, minus 7 comma 4. Then ratio, what it is, the ratio? Ratio 1:2. Right? Now it is for point P, right? For finding a point P. Okay, now we can use a section formula. What is section formula? Section formula, that is P of x comma y is equal to, that is x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma here m1 y2 plus m2. I think so. Boys are all in a Mauna Vradam, right? Excuse me, Buffaloes boys. Please open your mouth. Okay. Now what is the x1, x2? What is the x1, x2? Here x1, y1, x2, y2. Clear? Excuse me. Then what is the m1? First one m1, m2. Now we can substitute the values. What is the m1, Ra? 1 into minus 7 plus m2 into x2, x1 plus 2. Clear? Listen, here in the dot, in a sense, means that the dot, it means that multiplication. Clear? Multiplication into the dot in means multiplication. Okay, next m1, m2, what it is? 1 plus 2, comma. The bracket, that is more important. 1 into y2, 4 plus 2 into y1 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2. Are you clear? Excuse me. When they given it is a minus value, please put it in a bracket. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. 1 into 7 minus 7 plus 2 to the 4. 1 plus 2, 3. Next. 1 4 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 minus 4, right? Divided by 3. Clear? Okay. Next. Minus 7 plus 4, what it is? Minus 7 plus 4. Minus 3 by 3 here. 0 by 3. So when you're cancelling, this became a cancelling. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. What is the answer? What is the answer? Minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 0. Clear? So the point P x comma y is minus 1 comma 0. Are you clear? Excuse me. Clear? See here. Now we found a point P is a minus 1 comma 0. Clear? Excuse me. Now we supposed to find a point Q. Clear? Q. Q point. What is the ratio for Q point? What's the ratio of Q point? What is the ratio? A is a B. We know that 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Clear? Excuse me. Okay. Please be attentive to listen the class. Okay. Now we can find the point Q. So we can find a Q point. Sorry, point Q. Right? Q of x comma y. So now we can section formula what it is. Before that you can write a point what here? A point 2 comma minus 2. B point minus 7 comma 4. Then ratio 2 is to 1 ratio. 2 is to 1 ra. For P alone it is 1 is to 2. Q it is a 2 is to 1. Clear? Excuse me. Okay. So, section formula. Section formula. What it is? Q of x comma y is equal to, what is the formula? M1 x2 plus M2 x1. Very good. Then M1 y2 plus M2. Yes, I complete the formula. Yes, thank you. So this is the formula. So now M1 value we just write it here. Nearby that it is x1 y1 x2 y2 m1 m2 m1 m2. So what is it? M1 value 2 into 2 plus 2 m2 1 into x1. Sorry here minus 7 da. 2 into minus 7, right? X2 minus 7. Very good. So 1 into x1 plus 2 divided by, what is the answer? 2 plus 1 comma m1 2 into 4 plus 1 into y1 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Now we can write it. Listen. First one 2 into minus 7. So 2 into minus 7 minus 14 plus 1 into 2 2 divided by 2 plus 3 2 plus 1 comma 2 into 4 8 plus 1 into 2 minus 2 divided by 3. Next step minus 12 divided by 3 comma here also different sign. So 6 by 3. We can cancel it. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So what is the answer? Minus 4 by 1 comma 2 by 1. So it means that is minus 4 comma 2. Are you clear? So what is the point Q? What is the point Q? Minus 2 comma minus 4 comma 2. Minus 4 comma 2. Are you clear? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Excuse me, are you all clear? Any doubt? I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment.